So 284 not close. I don't have an accessible room this time. But this ship is like, more like Quantum of the Seas. This might be a Quantum class ship. Not too far though. 284. And my key right here. Okay, it's not bad for a room. You got the key card and the thermostats right here. I typically get accessible rooms, but they didn't have any, so I just got this balcony, but it's still nice. So when you walk in, you got a full body mirror and the thermostat, and you need this little key code to open the door, to keep the lights on. And this is the balcony, the bathroom. I hope it's nice. Okay, it's cool. It got the, it don't have the shower seat, but I did bring me a stool to sit on. So there is a thing for your legs so you can shave. Got a lot of counter space. So that's not bad. Right outside the bathroom, you got this storage, and it's at a slant. So it goes a little deeper. You can get your suitcase in there if you want to, or I normally put mine under the bed. But you got a lot of room. You got the couch you can chill on. This is exactly like my Quantum of the Seas room. It was just like this. So I think this is the same class ship. And you have storage, you got your little desk, and these lights come on. Let's see how this light come on. Yeah, so you can do your makeup. Got a little cooler.
Well, everybody, once again, a very good afternoon to you. Please have your attention.
I have cruised a bunch of times now, so they do give me a couple free waters with my status. So I'm gonna put these in this cooler. I never bring any drinks on board anymore since I get them free, but I used to. So you can bring water or a 12-pack of soda normally, and to put them in that cooler, it stay pretty cool. It's not a refrigerator, but it's a cooler. So also this chair is pretty nice. It's nice, I've sat in it before. So here you got your trash can, and they got a coffee maker. Some of my rooms never had a coffee maker. So I got this bed, it's a queen size bed. And I do like the balcony. You got your safe right here, which is nice. I like that the safe is not really close to the door in this ship. And you got extra storage, drawers down here, and over there, a lot of drawers. So I normally put all my dirty clothes in here and then pack later. The TV, this normally comes out. Normally, I thought it rotate, but I don't know, maybe this one don't. Let's see. Oh yeah, okay, so you can rotate it and turn it towards the couch. I always figure out how to hook up my HDMI card to my phone so I can watch like Netflix movies that I downloaded before I got here. So that's cool. The bed also has over the bed storage. That's extra storage. And the best thing about this ship, it has a plug. A lot of people don't have plugs. A lot of these ships are older and they didn't have plugs, and people didn't use CPAPs, but now everybody using CPAPs, so, and I use one faithfully. Next, we have this little balcony. It's a smaller balcony. To lock it, you have to keep it up. The door has to stay closed for the air conditioner to stay on. But this is the balcony. And it's a nice size balcony for the room I got, which is I got this through the casino, so it was kind of cheap, like maybe $250 with gratuities, and it's a 3-day cruise. But yeah, this is the view of Long Beach. They have these room dividers. You feel a little safe. It's covered. That's neat that it's covered. So you can just sit out here and chill. And if you happen to fall down, you won't fall in the water. You'll fall down to there. I don't know if you'll live, but at least you won't drown. So there you go. That's the room tour. And I like it. My daughter will be joining me in 3 days.